An important function of social media is the ability for people to share everyday experiences in real time. In our instant world, sharing happens through video, pictures, or text, and in various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Snapchat. Using various technologies offers many different opportunities for written communication. Some may interpret the technically incorrect language and spelling errors in instant messaging conversations as detrimental and incorrect, while others suggest that the new linguistic structures developed for online communication may represent the creation of a new media language distinct from but complementary to conventional written English. Nonetheless, social networking sites used by millions of people worldwide generates a substantial volume of multimedia text, whereby a whole new language is emerging. John Reed writes about and lectures on social media. He argues that so much of the written language we see on our screens, tablets, smartphones now evolves partly through our interaction with these technologies. It is through these platforms where informal writing, personal communication, and the mass audience afforded by social media make communicating easier over formal writing. Social media is making a huge impact on the choice of words we use every day, which has opened the door to new ways of communicating. Social media has enabled us to communicate with more people on a global scale, resulting in an increasing speed of communication. These social networking sites allow communication to occur quickly, effectively, and efficiently. Sites such as Twitter has a 140-character limit or less, and instant messaging app Vine has only 6 seconds to get a message across, forcing users to make their statements brief and concise. As a result, the most dominant effect of social media has occurred where sentences have been altered to become shorter. Other reasons for this change include typing with tiny keys on mobile devices and the limitation of characters on old handsets that were a key factor in the rise of acronyms in text messaging. Words such as FaceTime are being used as both a noun and a verb, changing a sentence from "I will connect with her over video conference" to simply "I'll FaceTime her." Another prime example of this is rather than saying "I'll search for the answer," a universal replacement is now "I'll Google it." The English language is constantly picking up neologisms, a newly coined word or expression. Some of these new words even make it into the Oxford English Dictionary. Oxford Dictionary's word of the year in 2015 was emojis. We also see words that have taken on a whole new meaning and have been reappropriated by social media. The word tweet refers to a sound birds make, but now carries another new meaning representing the process of posting a 140-character or less message on Twitter, also symbolizing a message carried by a little bird. The word friend means a person attached to another by feelings or affection or personal regard, but has been given a new meaning through Facebook, where friending is the process of adding someone to your circle of friends. Acronyms, abbreviations, and hashtags are natural substitutions to whole sentences. Social media users are using these to help speed up real-time typed conversations, which have also made their way into the English language. Acronyms such as LOL, OMG, TTYL are a few common ones used to avoid writing longer phrases and sentences. Many internet slang words are commonly written excluding the vowels. These include words such as seriously, thanks, okay, please, and really. This not only saves time, but readers have a 1 in 5 chance of guessing the missing vowel right as opposed to 1 in 20 consonants, leaving out the Y, of course. Hashtags are words and phrases, unbroken by spaces, affixed with a hash mark, whereby users can identify posts with a specific topic and be part of a larger conversation. Hashtags allow users to create communities of people interested in the same topic by making it easier for them to find and share information related to it. It also has its place in social, environmental, and political arenas of dialogue, as users from around the world can gather virtually to actively participate in real-time discussions related to the topic. Blogger Lee Densmer argues that texting, and by extension tweeting and Facebooking, is a new method of communication with its own rules, structure, and purpose. Writing changes depending on purpose and style, such as writing a speech, newspaper, article, or letter. Social media offers a new branch in writing style which has expanded our ability to communicate despite the grammatically incorrect language and misspelled words. To some, the way in which we express ourselves through written conversation will take some time getting used to. But for those growing up in a time where social media is pervasive and the language is constantly evolving, this new dialect is the social media language of the times and will remain as such.